Hey there, everybody. I'd like to share with you this Fancy Feast Savory Centers cat food. This is a pate with a gourmet gravy center, and this particular box comes with 4 different flavors. And the first flavor here is salmon. And the second one here is made with chicken flavor. And then the third one here is a beef flavor. And the fourth one is tuna. Now, I don't know if your cats are a little finicky at all, but we've tried several different types of wet food for them. And believe it or not, this is the only one that they actually enjoy eating. You could see right there in the middle that gravy just pouring out. Oh, you can see he's just sitting there waiting for it.
Come on,
He's ready. There's no hesitation with this. He goes right in there, starts licking and eating that food right away. And our other cat loves it just the same. So if you're looking for a new food for your cats that they'll just absolutely love, I recommend this Fancy Feast Savory Centers.